back, or welcome if you're new here. Thanks for stopping by the channel for today's video. Thanksgiving and Christmas was so much fun. Decorating, undecorating, decorating again, and now it's time to reset our homes for 2023. With high prices and inflation, I'm trying to keep everything in my home for as long as possible, and that includes my couch. It is said that a couch will last anywhere from 7 to 15 years. So I'm doing my part to make sure I can keep it at least 15 years. So first things first, let's locate the label in our couches or chairs and see what the recommended cleaning instructions say on them. A W stands for a water-based cleaner. To prevent dirt buildup, clean your furniture using a vacuum or light brush. Clean stains using the foam only from a water-based cleaning agent such as a mild detergent, a non-solvent, upholstery shampoo. Be sure to apply the foam with a soft brush in a circular pattern and vacuum this area when dry. Always pre-test a small area before proceeding. And if you need professional help, then find a professional. The S stands for a solvent cleaner. To prevent dirt buildup, clean your furniture using a vacuum or light brush. Clean stains always using a mild water-free solvent or dry cleaning product. Be sure to clean your furniture in a well-ventilated room. As always, pre-test a small area, and if you need professional cleaning services, consult someone right away. WS is water/solvent cleaner. Prevent dirt buildup, clean your furniture using a vacuum or light brush. Clean stains, be sure to use a mild solvent, an upholstery shampoo, or the foam from a mild detergent. When using a solvent or dry cleaning product, always follow the instructions. Ventilated room and avoid any product contamination. As always, pre-test a small area and consult a professional cleaner if the stains persist. An X stands for vacuum only. This fabric should be cleaned using a vacuum or light brush only. Water-based foam cleaners or solvent-based cleaning agents may cause excessive shrinking, staining, or other damage and should always be avoided. As always, follow your manufacturer's directions. So here are a few upholstery cleaners, some I've used in the past. But please remember, I am not an upholstery expert. So make sure to read all instructions, follow them correctly, and if necessary, contact a professional. So this is the perfect time to deep clean our couches and our chairs. You know, we've had a few extra people over during the holiday season, and sometimes there are extra handprints, extra stains that we need to remove right away. So my other tip is to rearrange your cushions on your couches or love seats. You know, that favorite spot you like to sit in? Well, let's avoid premature sagging by switching those cushions around every time we clean. Now, if you have found this information helpful in any way, do me a big favor. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And if you have not subscribed already, because there's so many of you who haven't, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. It's absolutely free and it's absolutely fun. I'd appreciate it. Oh yeah, now that's a clean couch. All I needed was a little vacuuming because I didn't have any stains. Thanks again for joining me for today's video. And remember, videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Stay social with me. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, both at The Priceless Pearl Life. And you know what I say. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.